everyone, it's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Thank you to the Sita 2-year-old singing a happy birthday.
you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. How old am I? My 2-year-old is singing happy birthday for me. Yeah. Did you see my 2-year-old? She just sang a happy birthday for me. And then, how old am I? Okay. You already know. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Give me.
Give you what?
Give me.
Give you? Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy. This is our birthday song. Good job. Good job. Happy birthday to me. Hip hip hip. Hooray. I wish myself the very best. The only thing I wish myself on this birthday is for God to exceed all of my expectations. All the expectations, all the timelines, all the plans, all the visions, God to exceed them all. That's the one thing that I am wishing myself on this birthday.
Amen.
What did you say?
Amen.
Okay. So we're not having a big thing, it's just a little fun family thing. From here we are going to church. From church we will be going to get just a small cake and a pizza, little thing that we're going to sit and celebrate a birthday. And I'm going to be asking everybody what's their wish for me on this birthday. Everybody just us, okay? So this morning I decided to glam up a little bit, as you can see, which is not my usual thing, but I did it anyway because it's birthday. Again, see this lace, this front tab, you know that is a new wig. Is the vendor did a good job. It's a new wig and the hair is fab, but the closure they use is literally not it. And so yeah, old story, but yeah, let's go to church right now. Hello. See your face. They want to be in my video. Okay guys, we just arrived. Let's go to church. It's my birthday, so it's a usual Sunday, but I'm going to capture a lot of things for you all. Oh, this song. I can hear them singing right now. Oh my goodness, I think I need to take one picture here. Oh good. Hi, so we've closed from church. I couldn't actually show you while I was there because for several reasons anyway, but this is where I am right now. We just stopped by our store. So I'm just buying a very small cake there, and then I've ordered pizza. Just gonna buy that pizza, buy some calm drink there as well, buy wine in Asda. So my husband and my son has just stepped out to get those things from Asda while I'm here with my princess. Hello princess, you and your apple. She's been holding the apple since. She's been holding the apple for a very long time, so yeah. We're just waiting for them, and then we go pick up our pizza because I've ordered it already, just to come pick up. I will go home and just do a little family thing. I need to also take pictures. I've not taken pictures. I've taken 1 or 2 pictures while in church. But the day I will take my birthday serious, I'll be very grateful, because I literally don't take my birthdays serious. I don't take my birthdays serious. A little backstory. This wasn't the clothes I wanted to wear, but then the one I brought out, each time I see this thing, I'm just so annoyed. I will look for someone that will work on it for me a little bit. It's just, anyway. So the clothes that I brought out to wear, look, all of a sudden the zip just went gaga and spoiled. Let's look at the hair. The hair is so pretty. It's just that pattern there. It's just that thing there. Just it's look at. I think when I'm talking about it, let me just call the lady again and show her now that I'm wearing the hair. If she's online and she's able to take my call. Let me see. Today is Sunday. And I don't know. Let me just try and see if she will take her call. She's not currently in the country with me, but and I'm trying to buy more hair. I trust her. The hair is pure bone straight, but just the pattern she used. Let me see if she will take the call and I can show her the hair. But yeah, my zip. Hi.
How are you?
Pick your video call. I want to show you the lace. Can you see me? So I've just literally called her. She was saying it. Prior to this time, I took a picture and cropped my face and just that bit. So I felt like it's going to be confusing. And now that I called her, she was like, "Oh, was it like that?" But it's been like that. It's been like that, and I don't know why. I literally don't know why. What I'm thinking now is, because here the way they charge, what I'm thinking now is to see what I can do to that pattern, and then maybe if it's not doable, then I need to like change the closure. But yeah, otherwise the hair is really fine. And I didn't want it full as well. But yes guys, this is it. Okay, it's pizza time. It's time to get pizza. Nene, open up, share. Give her. Look, you went to go and buy. My son went to go and buy cake for mommy.
Yeah, I bought. Daddy buy the waffle cake.
Oh, what would the lover cake? Okay, so I am cutting the lover cake today, and now we're here to pick up our pizza. We pick up our pizza and then off we move. Demolition of pizza is ongoing. Pizza is ongoing. I have this one as well. Whoa. It's very little, light birthday. Very little, very demure, very soft. Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Daddy, you're not singing.
Birthday,
Now today you're not singing for mommy.
happy birthday to you.
Hip 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 hooray!
Hooray! Hip 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 hip.
Hooray!
Hip 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 hip.
Hooray!
Hip 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 hip.
Hooray!
How
old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today.
We're about to cut the cake now. So we're going to spell the name Jesus. Then at the end, you can cut the cake. Let's say J.
J.
E.
E.
S.
S.
U.
U.
S. Jesus.
Yay! My cake is cut. My cake is very demure. Very classy.
It's very good.
Yeah, it's very classy. We don't do big cake all the time. I wish myself the very best birthday ever. One of the birthday wish that I have for myself is that the Lord exceed my expectations. That's the one prayer, one wish I have for myself. Ooh, thank you all for celebrating me.
Happy birthday once more.
Thank you.
Many more fruitful years, many more years in prosperity,
Amen.
in good health,
Amen.
plenty of money.
Amen.
It's the morning of Jesus.
Yeah, morning of Jesus. So I'm done with my birthday. Hi guys, I'm done with the birthday. Not really done. Birthday can never be done, but I want to briefly go to where I am right now. It's like 1 hour drive. Someone invited me to her baby's dedication, so I want to go there. Honestly, today is such a busy day for me. Such a busy day. It's such a busy day that I have to just squeeze out this time to just go and come back. I likely, if I get there, it's taking like an hour to get there, but I'll stay like roughly 30 minutes and I will leave. Yeah, I won't stay long, just so that I can show my face. Such a busy day. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour drive to the place and then Hey, we have arrived. I don't think I'll be staying long. I won't be staying long. It took me like an hour to get here. Okay. So I need to bend my mirror. Place is choked up.
Are you ready for this one? Hey. Are you ready for this one? Are you ready for this one? We are praising happiness. Moving high.
Guys, I'm done. Like I literally came out and I'm driving home now. I want to go home. We are done now and it's time to go. It's time to go home, gladys. The day is spent. Oh, thank you from my niece. Oh, another woman hand is full. Oh, thank you. Thank you. My tummy should not show.
I'm not sure.
Oh. Pandora for my birthday. Oh, let me see what is inside.
It's gonna be. Wow! Wow!
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look!
What is this?
Oh my goodness! This is earring. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And then love. On my 30-something birthday. Oh my goodness. The clothes I wore to church, I should have worn it. That dedication is out of this world. I'm so happy for them. Like literally, it's like Nigeria away from Nigeria. Honestly.
I could, when you called me, I was like, something like Venus Chapel or something.
I stand there, but I was like, I'm not seeing. She's the only one I know and she's busy. I for dance. But anyway, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. This love that you brought into my life, the Lord will supersede the love. By this time next year, you say, auntie, you said it though. You said it. I don't know how God is gonna do it, but I know your mind is flying when I say this love.
That's what I was like. Let this prayer go in.
Even let's say with this love you brought into my life, you said it. But it could be something great. That of course, if you get somebody like this my man that is understanding, that cannot dim your light, you become all you ought to become.
I think you should have gone with someone that would dim your lights because you need too much.
What?
Nothing.
It's
I
like
miss you.
don't miss me yet. But yeah, I wish you the very best. Thank you so much for giving me this. And I pray that this love you brought to my life, this surprise you gave me today, the Lord will surprise you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. And I go to surprise you now. Oh, now this is how.
And look at the tongue drawer.
Oh, did he? Oh, wow. Oh, you can actually draw.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. See what brought for mommy. She bought me this and bought me earring. Wow. I was like,
Because that is so hot.
I think it's because of this. London is hot.
Yeah.
Everyone.